welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because we are going for brunch at the wake. Well, I'm going for brunch at the wake and I'm going to bring you guys with me. So I have been on board for a good like 4.5 months now, and yes, I have been to the wake for dinner, but I have not been for brunch. And since I have the morning off today, one of my friends had a marvellous idea of going for brunch, and I just thought, oh my god, why have I not done this? So today is the day. We are going to go for brunch at the wake, and then we are in Nassau today and we have been granted shore leave, which is amazing. So I'm going to have an amazing brunch at the wake, hopefully. From everything I've heard, it will be, and from going there and having dinner, it will be. And then I'm going to get off in Nassau, which is going to be exciting because I've never been there before. And then I've got work this evening, so very nice day ahead of me. This is the dress that I'm going to wear to the wake, because you know what, I've had this dress, well, I've had it obviously the whole contract, but it's quite out there, so I'm like, I don't know where to wear this. Can't wear it to the crew bar. If this dress doesn't scream brunch at the wake, I don't know what it does. So it's getting its first outing today, and I have to show you something really bougie, but I kind of love it. I have the matching mask to my dress. Oh. Have you ever been for brunch ever in your life?
No, on the ship.
Oh, okay. Oh, well. Have you ever done a bottomless brunch?
Yes. Many times.
Today is not going to be one of those. So this is Freddie, this is Kason, and then we're going to meet up with Julia. Ah. Oh, we are here at the wake. Sorry guys. Oh my god! The view out the window. So you can see the Atlantis in the background. And I think we're by, oh, Celebrity Equinox. Oh, hello Julia! Welcome to brunch!
Morning, can I help you?
Wow. So much, yeah. Thank you. Wow, that looks amazing. Make space for the French toast.
Yeah, always make space for French. Thank you.
Hey Lucy, good morning.
Hey, I'm okay. How are you? Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. So we've got the Eggs Benedict. Freddie's also got the Eggs Benedict, and then Julia has also got the Eggs Benedict. And we've got a French toast to share, which looks absolutely insane. And then Kason, what did you get? You got a salad to start with.
And the French toast.
And the French toast for your main, which just looks great. Thank you so much. Oh my god.
Oh, you God. It's okay. I was making it. Thank you so much.
That is so good. Julia, how is it? Alison?
Very good.
Wow.
Bon appetit.
Absolutely incredible. I would say a McMuffin in the way.
I have a McMuffin too.
But this is not McDonald's. Yes, that was delightful. Thank you.
Oh, super amazing.
Very amazing. Well, that was absolutely delicious. So good. So now we are going to go off in Nassau, go and explore, which is exciting. Don't know where we're going to go, don't know what we're going to find. It's going to be fun.
See you there.
We are off the ship and waiting for our bus to to take us to wherever we're going to. I honestly don't really know. Well, this is just lovely. There's a great breeze, so it's not too hot. We're in our little bubble top garden. Beautiful. Don't blow away. It is gorgeous. It's just so nice to be out and walking around. Lovely. Sorry. I haven't been on a bus in so long. Let's go.
Ficava tudo preso na grade.
Oh my god, that's
Okay, we got the pharmacy on the left and the fresh market on the right.
Woohoo!
We got 45 minutes.
We are here, so our first stop is at the pharmacy and the fresh market, and then our second stop is going to be at a shopping mall. And I know it doesn't seem that exciting, but I have not been to a supermarket in like 5 months, so I'm very excited to be going to a supermarket. Oh, 45 minutes, it's like supermarket sweep. Look at this. Oh wow. Here's all the crew members in the crisp aisle. To be expected. Do you guys actually need anything?
I just need... Oh, I need chewing gum as well.
Okay.
That's literally all I need.
Well, let's find the gum. Oh my god, sweets. You know, it's a good job we've just eaten, because food shopping when you're hungry is awful. So
Yes.
they've got Tic Tacs.
I'm sure they've got gum.
This gum here.
This is just fantastic.
So good to be in a supermarket.
It is so good. Look at all the cake mixes.
Should we make a cake?
Think if I took it back and took it to the galley, I'd be like, can I make a cake? And they go, yeah.
We're just using your kitchen.
I've got my own ingredients. I just need the kitchen.
It can all clear out.
Yeah.
Aren't they the things we use in?
Those look like the things we have on board, don't they?
It's actually the thing.
Are they? Are they the same?
Yeah.
Oh. So guys, I've said in the video before that Virgin supply laundry pods, and these are the ones that they supply. Oh, we found the bargain aisle. Where's the reduced section? Oh gosh. We're acting like we've never been in a supermarket before. Eggs! Ah, lots of eggs! I don't know whether this is cute or sad that we're so excited. Oh my god, don't. Marmite. Oh, Rouse, honey, we have that at home. Oh, here we go. We found Mecca. Lay's. Oh, wow.
Oh, they've got cereal bars.
I love cereal bars. Let's have a look at. Let's go away from the crisps and go to the fresh food. Lovely.
Absolutely beautiful.
Let's go back to the bus
It's so good just to shop.
and go to the mall. My first time shopping in 6 months, and I bought beans. That's so sad.
That's why I haven't written this.
Yeah. So we have just left the supermarket with a very strange combination. Lots of gum, some crisps, beans. What else?
Tea bags.
Tea bag, chai tea bags. Owen, what did you get?
Iron brew.
Iron brew, really?
Yeah, throw it back.
Iron brew. Here we go. So now we are going to go to the mall. Wow, Freddie, that is great.
I've lost my tassel.
Oh, look at these. Look at that. That looks like an ice cream tub, but it's perfume.
Oh god.
a nice pineapple shirt.
Pineapple daiquiri.
That is nice, actually.
It's only $30.
Oh, a hula hoop.
$3.
Oh, that's good. $3, yeah.
Or you could do the thing with this.
What's that? Oh, do you like...
Oh, a kite.
Oh, I love a kite.
Oh, Casey's getting a basketball.
Hello.
Should we go back that way and see if there's any more?
Yeah. Oh, it's Yulia. Yulia.
I don't know.
Oh, I love this.
Take my heritage into position.
No, don't you love that? That's
Very cool.
amazing.
Oh my goodness.
They are fun. They're very long though, and Freddie's got very long legs, and they'd even be too long for him.
Hi.
Yeah, they're like, oh wow.
So good.
You would look so fit in that. Oh, Freddie, they'd go with the pineapple shirt in the other shop.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, it's a perfect size for the cabin.
Oh my god,
Literally.
a carpet cabin. Oh, I mean a cabin carpet.
I don't think they keep it clean though.
I have a cabin carpet.
Do you vacuum it?
Well, I tried to vacuum it yesterday and it got sucked into the vacuum, and then it took me about 10 minutes to pull it out
Oh, God.
of the vacuum. I know. It was hilarious. I was
not what we
chuckling to myself.
The toilet seat cover.
I do not.
No. Oh yeah, have a
Cute.
car freshener for your cabin.
Cars are bigger than my cabinet.
Totally.
Oh, this is a home shop.
Yeah, and we don't have a home. You got a frisbee! Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Which shop did you get out from?
The sport place. Same, it's the same as the other one.
Oh,
The last one they
amazing.
had.
The last frisbee it was meant to be. Frisbee on the beach.
I can't wait.
Can he wait for a frisbee on the beach? I bet someone throws it into the sea.
Yeah, probably me.
Yeah.
The wind catches it straight away.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Skipping rope.
Yes. Where's the skipping rope? Oh.
Don't do that.
Hi. Skipping rope, dog. Do that. That was great.
Big lamb in my coat.
Ooh, a bag for the beach.
A beach bag.
That's the one.
Shall I get a bodyboard?
Ooh, we can get surfboards.
This is big fun.
We can get a beer thing.
A beer box for all the beer that we're not allowed to drink. Lovely, very nice. Very fetching. No, I think I prefer the other one. Oh yeah? Yeah, you know what, because you don't have many shirts.
No.
So,
No.
You don't
I
have
only
many
bought
shirts?
32 with me, so we could do with some more.
I think you're thinking of me.
yeah, how many did you bring with you?
Shirts.
Yeah.
I think two.
2. Yeah, 32 and 2.
Eating his lunch.
Owen is eating his lunch. Owen,
How was lunch?
what did you have?
I asked for a chicken leg with no tomato, and I got a normal burger with tomato.
Fantastic! British people are so happy all the time, it's great. What a lovely time we have had. I have baked beans, you have some gum, and you have
Chai tea bags.
some chai tea bags. Very successful shop. Lovely. Yeah. So we have we've now come back on board from our little tour. We've come for a cup of tea. We have had a lovely day. It's been so nice to just see Nassau, wander around the shops. Brunch earlier was wonderful. Freddie having a laughing fit. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, press like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.